Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Credit Karma account, easy access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Credit Karma. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Now, enter the email address associated with your Credit Karma account. Next, move to the password field. Type in your account password. Before proceeding, double-check that both entries are correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your email and password are entered, click the Login button. Wait a moment while your account is being accessed. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your Credit Karma dashboard. From here, you can view your financial information and services. If you encounter any issues, check your internet connection. Make sure you are using the correct email and password combination. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Credit Karma's support for assistance. You are now ready to manage your Credit Karma account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.